With all that's been happening in the news lately regarding illegal aliens in the country, I've been asked more than once as to what my opinion is on all this. And so I figured, why not just do a quick video so as to have something to send the people to when the question comes up again. Now, I'm not going to play this video that I found, that was sent to me, because it echoes so many other videos or articles wherein Catholic prelates are doing everything they can to cause the most powerful nation on earth to open its borders to tens of millions of their church members. But in the video comments, it does say this. Some U.S. bishops say they support the president taking executive action on immigration matters, but they will continue to push for permanent bipartisan immigration reform legislation in Congress. Now, that being said, who do you think stands to gain the most by legalizing all the illegal aliens on U.S. soil? And it's no mistake they had all those kids come in unattended. Well, that's a whole other story. But who stands to gain the most by this? Well, here's a hint. The Mexican population is predominantly Catholic. 83.9% of its population are actually Roman Catholic. With all those illegal aliens becoming instantly legal, the current Roman Catholic-controlled U.S. government, and I do have a newsletter about that, will have a field day in destroying religious rights in America. Historic fact is, that's been their plan all along. In fact, they admit this in writing. The old Protestant culture is about at the end of its rope. Why can't we make the U.S. Catholic in legislation, Catholic in justice, aims, and ideals? And what do you think they'll do after they gain this power? They clearly stated, if Catholics ever gain a sufficient numerical majority in this country, religious freedom is at an end. So our enemies say, so we believe. And then it also says, in another quote, that non-Catholic sects may decline to such a point that the political proscription or ban of them may become feasible and expedient. What protection would they have against the Catholic state? Well, for the majority of the people in the United States of America, there's not going to be a lot of protection because they're already in bed with Rome. But for the real Christian, he who protects us, his name is Jesus Christ. Thanks for watching. God bless.